Yo, I am so peeved. Glasses are wet. I have so much moving left to do still. Oh no, now I can't see. That's serious. Come on, girl, drive yourself for just a minute. Okay. The weather, Ophelia or whatever her name is, that tropical storm. It's raining now. It's like, and it's gonna be raining and some wind and all that stuff through the weekend. And I was tempted to go anyway, because I got so much to do. But then I'm like, no, because there's gonna be like probably hydroplaning on the road and some probably local flooding in places. I just don't want to risk it. So, what am I getting for dinner? I don't even know. Oh, I was so afraid of that happening. I've got to secure those 2 boxes back there better. Anyway, I think I might have to turn around and go all the way back the other way. People walking in the woods, that's not suspicious at all. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just like, I'm so super bummed. I wanted to get another load up there this weekend. It's not going to happen. And next weekend is moving weekend. So what I'm going to have to do then is go up next Saturday and take a load up. And come back here, and then because we pick up the U-Haul on Sunday. Oh, the box is going to tip over. I know it is. Please don't tip. Please don't tip. I got to be careful. Something told me to put those things in the floorboard, and I really should have. It's wedged against the door. Maybe it won't go anywhere. Oh, I feel like, what is that noise? That's my windshield wipers. Okay, sorry, I got a bit distracted. What was I saying? Oh yeah, and so it just kind of blows my plans for getting more stuff up to the other house. I was doing so good too. And then part of me is like, well, why make another trip up? Everything should fit into the U-Haul. Okay, yeah, maybe so. But see, the thing is, the major thing is that where Sandy's going, where her room is, it's plumb full. It was my mom's office, and it is full packed. And so there's nowhere to put her when I get up there. If I wait and go with the U-Haul, there's nowhere to put her. So I need a day to clean out that office so I've got someplace to put her while things are getting moved in, and plus Emery's gonna be spending that week with me. So I don't see really a way around not going next Saturday. But I mean, oh dang it. Cream of the light's green. Why are you slowing down? Sorry, It's Friday. I got so much on my mind. This kind of messed up my plans. Yes, I'm going to save some gas money by not going up this weekend. Like $40. So that's good. But I'm just going to have to do it next weekend. Because that room's got to be cleaned out. This is when I miss being married. This is when I miss having a partner, because it is so helpful when something major comes up in life and you've got somebody there to go through it with you, to be a sounding board, to physically help you, to just keep you from going crazy, to say, don't worry, baby, I got you. It's going to be okay. Because all I got is me going, this is not going to be okay. I ain't going to lose my mind. I'm telling you guys, mark my words. There is a breakdown coming. It's not going to happen right now because I've sort of got myself on autopilot. It won't in the world. Like a big old box thrown over there. Anyway, so I've got myself on autopilot. And I'm taking my Lexapro, so it ain't going to happen yet. It's going to happen when at some point when I'm probably nearly done setting the house up and I've got it the way I want it and things are calm, that's when it's going to happen. Watch what I tell you. That's when it's going to happen. This dream will be blah, 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 blah. Right now, I have the unique ability to kind of rein all that in until I'm done doing what I've got to get done. I don't know. I guess just my life has taught me how to do that. Those coping mechanisms, those survival skills, those are very good to have. It sucks to have to develop them, but I'm glad I got them because I can keep myself somewhat okay. I just know that it's coming. I've already had a couple of panic attacks, like full-on panic attacks. I've had like what I would call mini panic attacks, like on a daily basis. Sorry, I keep up my hand up. I've had like mini panic attacks on a daily basis. Small, quick, but I recognize that they're coming, and I stop and I'll breathe and I'll get some water, and I just think about when it's all finished. I'm gonna get in here and eat some dinner and watch my show, Suits. I love that show. I'm not happy right now with where it's at, but it had to happen. If you know, you know. I'm in season 5, 6. I know that the guy that plays Mike Ross leaves after season 7. That'll be sad. But let me get in here, eat my dinner, zone out, and watch Suits, and just try not to think about my weekend getting squashed. Or all the stuff still to do. And before the rain just gets too much.